Following the ball, getting to it. Most of them just stick on the knees. Wait, Zings the ball back to the pitcher. Ooh, almost. You got this. Can't get her now.
Oh, good try.
Good swinging.
Thank you, we're ready on pitch, right?
Hey, close the stand, man.
Now you've seen it, bud.
One out.
Right.
Nice job, Evan.
Okay, it's close enough, Lincoln. Okay. I want to see you move on the pitch, though. Come on, buddy.
You say hit her. Nice.
Your pitch, right? Load up. Go, Lincoln. All right, hey, you got two strikes. Okay? Go, go, go.
Ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar. Ever since I can remember, I've been working these. Give me here to put my money in my hand.
Anybody's here, one out.
Okay, Michael.
Hey, you're on target.
Okay, every pitch, though, I want you winning. Let's go, Michael. Hey, big swing.
You got this, Michael.
Like you mean it, bud.
Elias, get the bat away, please.
Good eye, Luke.
Dan, just that way just a little bit and back. Yep. Good, Everett. Good job, bud. Where's your play now, Mariners? 2 out. Let's go, Mason!
Hey, right hard on contact, okay?
Not here. Here we go. Ready, Ryder. Ready, Riker.
All that speed. Goodbye.
First base is empty.
Go, Eli, go, go! He was all pissed about it. So I'm calling my house, like how instead of like on my I gave up. I thought they hit like I think there's hit them all real hard. Danny. Thank you. That'll work. Ready? Okay, do it, bud. Okay, two more. Ball's in. Change field. Batter up. Hey, is Joseph gonna play outfield? Hey, good swing. Felix. One more, hey, stop. You play 4 outfield? You can.
Nice pitch.
Go, plays in 1. You ready, Henry?
Ball, outside. One ball, two strikes.
One more, Adam. Hustle, hustle. Hey, plays it two, plays it two.
Great one.
Good pitch.
You got it, Sam. Nice for you.
Plays it two, be ready for two.
One ball, Tuesday.
Hey boys, where's the play? Hey, guys, looking to Eli, River, right? Let's work together here. Let's get that quick out right there, close out.
Oh no.
River, be ready.
Let's pitch at him.
Boys, knock it up. Henry, get on the base path. Hey, no, this way. More. Here you go. Eli, be ready. Ball's coming to you. Henry. I'll get that one. Sit down and like that, Adam. Hey, one more. Hey, we got two strikes. Hey, Michael. Good target. That glove. Good pitch, Adam. Michael. Hey, if we get ahead, we're going to go outside. We don't want to hit him, right? So we're going to go outside the pitch. We're going to line outside. Hit that glove. Yeah, hey, let's get Eddie out right here. River, gotta move on pitch, right? You ready? Plays it two. Same spot you're in before the pitch. First free pitch here. Eli, love on. See you ready. We want the ball. Hey, pop up on that, Michael. Good job. Michael. Go, Adam. Get that glove. Boy, nice. Good pitch now.
He had 2 strikes on what I think is the best player. He got a hit, and he struck out 2 strikes. Holy cow, look at
That's our friend, sir.
wow. That's so different.
Yeah, we do.
He's fantastic.
can't touch the.
All right, Manny. Eye on the ball, buddy. Let's go. Good eye. Good eye.
Let's go, Manny boy.
Stop time. See it and hit it. Ain't too close, buddy. She's strike hitter now. Way to be tough. Still standing there and saying frozen. Send it back now, huh? Send it right back up the middle.
Come on, blast it.
Nice.
Oh, nice
Good kid. Wing it. Come on, Joseph.
Go, Adam. Come on, Adam.
Ready, Ronan? Ronan, stay ready.
I'm chosen when you standing on business. I'm a big stepper. I'm your ground with God. Get your more than the God. Straight chipper. But the young boss. Pushing catch your people.
Anything close, right? Okay. Right.
Don't let me down easy. Keep gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back. I said I'm a maniac just to go and take back what you said. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness. Walk away like I'm someone you hate. Don't let me down easy. Keep gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Like I wasn't the one you was holding that night till nobody else was with the hug. Hey, you ain't too good to be true. Was a boy, all I needed was you. Time after time I was busting and fighting. Tell what you do, what you do, and it's cool. Mama said it was fish in the sea, I got lost in the pool. Knew it was coming, I watched how you tail back on me and leave me alone. Remember the chicks, how you said that you done that you never leave me with fuck to the dude. But as and when I was fighting, you know, the chest turned to rock. It ain't blue, you done and I can't. Said you said you wanted my name, you live so good that you never meet. Said you tried hard off as a little sister, now I'm feeling alone in this bitch. Singing sad songs, but I'm knowing that it don't last long. If you leave me, leave your bag's gone. But just know you can never come back home. Don't let me down easy. If you gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back. Trusting I'm a maniac just to go and take back what you say. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness. Walk away like I'm someone you hate. Don't let me down easy. If you gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. You said you done no take back, so you feel out of love and I hate that. But see me out of the eyes, when you think of look at something you can shake back. When you walked in that door, I was hurting. All the things my name was falling. You remember the very first time that we killed and I would be on here with the nerves at. Tyler Perry, that's what he did. Every time I be 16, thinking about you, it was still to his part. Got in the blood, really play with my heart. We lost in the field, I second, but you made it the rules. All my heart never scar in the room. How you choose to stand on all the things you did, I'm getting y'all finally through. Don't let me down easy. If you gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back. I said I'm a maniac just to go and take back.
All right, ball in, outfield, infield. We're going out of the field zone, right? See if we can find one that gets played. Go, Eli. He's on the baseball field? Yeah. Oh.
Big one.
Good pitch. Really.
He's hot, Brennan. Put that on it.
Where is he?
Thank you. Little sooner, Ronan.
Shortstop.
Come on, Ronnie, you got two
Two
strikes.
strikes here, Ronan.
Anything over.
Big contact. One ball, one strike. Right. One ball, two strikes. Go, you're good. Right there, bud.
Flag, it's a big target.
Beautiful duck. Two balls, one strike.
Ready.
Right there, Avery.
Hey, one
Did I
more,
say
Adam.
one strike? Two strikes. Two balls, two strikes. Strike three.
Okay, two down. Luke, call it out.
Nice job, Ethan. One strike.
Henry, be ready. Henry.
Ball. One ball, one strike. Nice swing. One ball, two strikes.
One more, Adam.
One more, Adam. Luke.
Ball, two strikes.
Oh, you just want to play.
Strike.
You want to play. Oh, yeah.
Strike three.
Everyone high five. Hey, step up to the plate. Yeah, that ball's going to the left field. Use the baseball. Ready. Right. You gotta love back.
Like that. Since I can remember, I've been working these and you never put my money in my hand.
Michael, look where you're at, dude. You're out in the back of the box. Oh, there he is. Step up more. They got excited about it. We're going to run later today. Right? Here we go.
Hey, wait a minute, Ryder.
Later, alligator. You roll over, Mike. Ready, Freddie? Still have to make. Bye, guys.
Get out there. Go, it's a hit spot. We need you out there. Remember, good job being ready. Where you going at? Felix. Tempo. Adam. Let's play catch with your That'll work too. Catch it. Remember, hey.
Like it was yesterday, 'cause it was. And I still got love that you got.
There it is, Felix.
Ryder, wait, you're gonna one more.
You ready, Joseph? Felix. Got it.
Stop. Okay. All right, here we go, boys. Hey, here we go. Hey, get it out. We want it out. Henry. Over more.
Catch it, stand. Ready to go.
Over more. There. Michael, hands up behind your basket. We got to be out ready. Luke, we're ready. Henry, up here. He's out here. Michael, I need your hands out front, dude. Good catch, bud. Eli, or Joseph, who's that? Go. I'm playing with dirt. Way to get that bit down, Colin.
Okay, 2 down. I think you're talking about.
Good catch. Felix, just like that. Not there anymore? Jeremy is one of those.
Hey, one ball, 2 straight.
Yeah, Felix.
Like that, Felix.
You go right here, be aggressive up there, okay? And you get close, don't get out of it. One ball, 2 straight. Victory!
No, if you just don't in, but they're going like a nice I think it was kind of like
Yo, right here.
Hey, nothing
Hey, buddy. What?
This is how legends are made.
There you go. Like that. Okay. Good.
This is how legends are made.
Alright, let's go, Eli.
Good swing. Good pitch, good swing. We're gonna good pitches the last.
Good job, bud. Swing early, bud. Good eye.
Hey, 2-2, that's the close, man.
All right, one pitch, Eli. Got to swing, okay?
You got 2 strikes, okay?
Got to swing, bud. Go, Eli, go! Run, run, run! Way to go, Eli!
Good job, Eli.
The game looks very close. I left it a little early.
Hey, protect it. Anything close, got 2 strikes, okay? Anything close, got to swing.
Good job, Eli.
Good job, Ty. Nice pitch, Ty.
Well, you act like you still want to hit it, okay?
No, it's okay.
Here, I got that.
Close.
Also, we gotta want to hit it, right? Statue.
Ball, hit ball. Give it a ride, huh? Bring it to the park.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Adam, be good, right?
Okay, guys. Ready, Dean? Ready, ready. No on deck, no on deck, Bud. Go back in. Good idea. Good guy. Nice! Eli! Go, Eli, go! Eli, yeah! That's it, Mom. You did awesome. Very soft. Good job, dude. Good guy. Good guy.
Henry, step up. No, they did. Hey, you got it. You're in, Lord. There you go. Hey, you're on it, okay?
Hey, batter. Hey, on deck. Back up. Get out. No on deck.
Hey, good pass. There you go. Good drop, good pitching, buddy. Felix, you're back out. Let's go. We can't do anything. We can't do anything.
Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We go boogie, go boogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like a roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out. Like a roof on fire. Never baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and like the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, I'm on fire. Tell her, baby, I'm on fire.
Go boys, be locked in, here we go. Eli, be ready. Andy, love on.
That's what I thought.
Felix, great pitching.
Yeah, so
One ball, 2 strikes.
but I like your class.
All right, two down. Or one down, one down.
No, I don't think they're I was in the
Go Felix. You're a good target. Drop those. Okay, let's go. We're starting 3 o'clock. Trying to hit. You ready, Henry? Ready? Adam? You might be ready.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Okay, one more, Felix. One more. See if I can get that.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Go, boys. You ready? Eli, you ready?
Ball, 6 strikes.
Here we go, boys. Hey, River, be ready. Play the 1. Henry, be ready. Henry, be ready. Come in, Lo. Come in. Hey. Here you go. All right. down in the zone. Felix, looking good out there. All there. Hey boys, look alive. Hey, that contact. Be ready. Adam, be ready. Henry.
One ball, one strike.
That's down in the ranking.
Hey, you got it. Reset.
Hey, hold up.
I don't believe you had realized that talent.
He doesn't realize his life almost flashed before his eyes.
Well, he almost invested in his system.
That's why you stay alert. Eli, be ready.
That's it.
Good job, Eli!
He's not 50 yet. He's not 50 yet. Not yet. I mean, what about him?
All right, Henry, Rover, go.
What time is it?
44.
Yeah, River, you're up first. Sorry. River, lead just like last year.
Yo, you wanna meet me on the floor? Yo, you wanna meet me on the club? Yo, you wanna meet me down? Yo, you wanna meet me in the east? In the west?
Can't lose time with ball, right?
Hey, next batter, grab the bat. Hey, you gotta be ready. Hit the box. Hit it ready. You gotta be paying attention to the pitch in the road.
Get a count. Number 7, get ready. Good shot, College. Leo.
Hey, got a protector. Two strikes. Move something up.
Work hard, bud.
Good swing. Yeah. Good swing.
Something is out of place. Yeah.
I'm trying, buddy. Reload.
Annie, you're left field.
Henry, go.
You're going like this. Okay. Throw the ball. Throw it hard. Hey. Throw it. Throw it. Hey, final down. You gotta slow it down and slow it down.
Let's go, kid.
Let's go. That's like 3 yards. Stand up, stand up. Henry, how many more? One more? Hold this, hold this.
Henry. Let's go, Henry. Hey, let's go, boys. Hey, be in it. Here we go.
You got Henry.
Great swing, It's a great kick.
Hey, River, outside now, outside, try 0-2, outside on the corner. Get that glove, get his glove.
Yeah, go, one, Michael, get there.
Michael, you got the ball there, right?
Good pitching, Henry. Keep it up, dude.
Good job, Henry. Strike. Michael, gotta want it, okay? Gotta go get it.
Baseball player. You know, the fact that he's there.
Let's go, Avery, swing it. River, call it out. What is it, first or second? Hey, River, outside, right?
Oh, you got 2 strikes. Go get it. Yeah, baby. Hey, good swing, baby. Nice pitch, Henry.
Beautiful. That's what you always want. That's what you want to do.
Yeah.
Right here. That's what we always want to learn. Pitch, Henry. And we also always want that. Right here. Hey, great pitch, Henry.
Keep it up, Henry. You're doing great.
Here we go. You did anything close. 2 strikes. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
Nice job, Henry.
Let's go, Henry.
Hey, one more, boy. Hey, we got one right here if you want. Still one. Michael, I have a hands out, right? Felix, here we go. Manny, be ready. Hey, just every way, be ready. Back your base and get it. River, back up. Remember, set that one.
All right, let's swing it.
1 ball, 1 strike. Strike 2.
Great pitch, Henry.
River. Sorry. Outside. More. Outside more. No, your body. Move your body out. More.
Ball, outside.
I attempt him.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Oh, baby, Henry.
On the moment, you can catch me in my zone. Came up out the mud, so I got a heart of stone. Turned it to a diamond cause I made it on my own. On the road to the riches, you know I'ma drop it home. Prime time can't cancel us. It's the anthem for the champions. Steady bang shooting in the gym. We came to win. I'm a beast with this bottled up energy. That bottle cops better pray for my enemies. I'm charged to the game, no penalty. Winners in my blood, losers ain't no kin to me. Pull up the stats, cut the facts. Stand back and fully built like that. Going back to back and do it all again. Came to win. You ready? Come witness it. Watch how I'm killing it. Strength is unlimited. Everything I'm giving it is how I envisioned it. Now my team is finished. We ain't stopping till we winning it.
Go, Eli!
Go, Eli, go! Faster, faster!
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
You're gonna go after it. Go, Manny, go! Way to go, Manny! Keep in that gap. Yeah, the last one's good. I'm running off it. Ready, Joseph. Hold on, play it first. You need it. Good job, guys. Get down, you're ready, get down. You ready, Joseph? Be ready, infield. Be hitter. Coach is good. Go, Joseph!
Hey, get from 5-5 when you come in.
All right,
I love you. What's up, buddy? What do you want?
Let's go, Adam! Come on,
Ten toes in when we standing on business. I'm a bitch. I'm a god. Get the more than the little.
How'd you do? Yeah.
Everybody's playing as if there's the only one that's not.
They're hungry.
People just don't see how much work is really involved in this rap. I didn't know it. I didn't see it. I never saw it until I was actually in it. You really gotta be in it to understand what it's like. You always gotta, people always gotta see you smile. You always gotta put on that fake. You know what I'm saying? Like no matter what you just been
So you
through.
wanna be a rap superstar and live large, big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up with the ball, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly. Remember the days when I was a young kid, growing up, working in the mirror, making the block, blowing up the rock, crowd, make money, showing the honey, sign autographs, and whatever the people want from it. Funny how impossible dreams manifest in the games that be coming with it. Nevertheless, got the goal for the gusto. know what you don't know about the blood, sweat, tears, and losing some of your kids and losing some of yourself through the years past. Go by, only it don't manifest. When the wrong guys, you go maniac in the brainiac, don't know how to act. C48 trying to studio gang, the max sign the deal. Nothing's gonna make them feel, but oh well. Really puts over field, filling up with fantasies. Come with me, show the sacrifice it takes to make the cheese. Wanna be a rap superstar in the biz? It takes people who don't know what it is. I wish it was all fun and games, but the price of fame is high. Some can't pay the bill. Trapped in what you rapping about. Tell me what happened when you lost class. The rap you started collapsing. No bands, no fame, no respect, no change, no women, and everybody. They wanna be a rap superstar and live large. A big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly to be a rap superstar and live large. A big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly.
You sign to a record label, you don't know you sign your life over. And these white boys don't care about you, cause the minute you fall off, they'll find another Noriega, they'll find another Capone Noriega, they'll find another Be Real. So you need to just stack your chips up. You gotta do while you hot, and motherfuckers get out of the game. It's just like the drug game, it's even worse. Because in the drug game, if somebody jerk you, you can shoot them and kill them. And if you, in this game, somebody jerk you, you gotta be humble.
No matter what you just been through, it's gotta be right. You gotta approach people, you gotta keep it up and up. Everything gotta be all good. See somebody slap hands with them, you know what I'm saying? Give them a pound or whatever it is. You always gotta act like it.
They wanna be a rap superstar. A big house, 5 cars, you're in charge.
She hasn't done anything.
Get ready.
Oh, go! Get it!
Let go.
Let it go, let it go.
Some intro there.
Huh?
Off the bounce.
Hey, any back? Let it go. I'm good. On that belt, kid. Yep, strong, kid. You're good.
That's like Coach Joe.
Ready, River? Hey, here we go, boys. Here we go. Henry. Go on this side. Henry, right there. Luke.
That guy could be second base. On the flip side.
One. Get there, Felix.
Play, boys.
Let's go, Henry.
Hey, he dropped it. And he dropped it.
Oh, he's finished. Yeah. Hey, don't aim. Hey, let's throw normal, right? Throw it normal.
One ball, one strike.
You okay? Only he could find it. Hey, good swing, Colin. Good pitch. Good Henry.
One ball, two strikes.
Michael called out for the first and second.
More, Henry.
No, that's just a team.
Get there, Henry. Get there.
After about 4 weeks or something.
Good.
Ready, get there.
Hey, River, tag your base. Go over low, more, close to your base. Adam. More. Hey, Henry, stop, Michael.
Take a step closer, yep.
Good throws.
And it goes up to 2 minutes.
Keep going in the zone, kid.
You get it, touch your base.
Go first.
One ball, one straight.
Boys, good throw. Come on.
Okay, be ready. Let's go. Play the any base.
Two balls, one straight.
Go ahead. Hey, reset. You got this. Reset.
Whose kid is that?
Oh, come on, guys. Good throws. Back to the pitcher. Let's go. Good, Henry. One more. Let's go.
Two straight.
One more, Henry. I like that. Come on, Henry. Come on. So one more, Henry, right here. Here we go. Hey, be ready. Defense now.
You ready, buddy?
Hey, let's go 3 or 2 right here, or 1.
Remember, be ready. Play for your base. Get over a little bit.
Henry, be ready. Get that, Luke.
Oh! Tag it! There you go, Luke. Good job, Adam.
You play Adam.
Luke, nice try. Good job, buddy. Good job, Adam.
Hey, those infield fly.
Get it in.
Throw it in. Throw it.
Get it in.
Drag him. Joseph, get the ball in quick, dude. Throw it in, man. You gotta be ready.
All right, let's go. Play the one.
Adam Rivers, tag play, right? Tag, you gotta tag him. He goes, right? Yeah, good catch. Stop, Henry. Yeah. Hey, one more like that.
Stands in front.
One. Boys, you gotta count that go to the outfield. Come on.
Okay, play the first or second.
Let's go, Luke. Let's go, Adam. Middle infield. Let's go. Oh, Luke. This isn't expecting balls. You gotta be ready. You gotta be free pitch. Adam. Ready, right?
Oh! Second! Yeah!
I'll take that one back.
Okay, 2 down.
Hey, let's go 1 right here if we can. We'll go 2 though. Hey, you come out the line. Okay, here we go. Hey, let's get a hey, 2 right here. Luke, get ready. Adam, get ready. Luke, you cover if it goes on that side, right? Either, just like last time. River, Adam, ready. River and Adam, you're going one. Unless it's easier to go.
Right here, this one.
River, be ready. Good job, Adam. Bring it in.
I'm just trying to catch a good time, even if it takes all night. Step out around the campfire, sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars.